back to my channel. I'm Wechi. I'm here to show you guys how to make money online, how to improve your income, how to flip anything from home to make an extra income, either to quit your 9-to-5 job or do it on the side. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to make $1,000 in 3 days. So I made $1,000 in 3 days. So I'm gonna show you how, so you can do it too. So if you guys have TikTok on your phone, you know like TikTok, there's like those products always like trending on TikTok. People are looking for it. If you want to know which product is trending, what people are looking for, if you go on TikTok and you put Amazon finds, you're gonna see a lot of people are looking for those products. Even like people who do drop shipping, they use this method in order to find profitable product. So they look for those products so they can sell it or so they can do drop shipping. They don't go and put any product and do drop shipping. So they check on TikTok what's trending, what people are looking for. So last week I came across this video. It was a trending bag. It's a Steve Madden bag. It was trending on TikTok. Everybody was looking for it. So I went on eBay because I saw the bag. It was cute. I wanted to get one myself. So I went on eBay and I saw those bag was going for $200 and up. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna check on TJ Maxx or Marshall so I can find those bags and resell it. So guys, let me tell you, if you see those trends, you have to be on top of those trends. As soon as you see the trending, the product is trending, you have to make action. So unless you don't have like any money to do it, but if you see those trends, you have to take action and do it right away. So what I did, I went to TJ Maxx. I got 3 of those bags. So I got 3 of those bags. I went to another Marshall, like I think I went to like 5 or 6 TJ Maxx, between TJ Maxx and Marshall. So I went to another TJ Maxx. I got 7 of those bags. Let me show you guys the bag, okay? So that's the bag people was looking for, okay? It's a beautiful Steve Madden bag. The price for it was $29.99 at Marshall, $29.99 at Marshall or TJ Maxx. So what I did is I didn't need that much bags, so I bought 10 of them so I can flip them. So I go on, that's why I'm telling you guys, you cannot do Amazon only. Those products, those trending products, sometimes in order to sell them on Amazon, you're gonna need like a permission. You're gonna have to show them like an invoice where you got those products from and whatever. So that's why you have to get eBay or Mercari. Those app, you don't need like an invoice where you buy it at the manufacturer. You just post it and you sell it. I post those bags in like 3 minutes. I had 3 of them sold at $110, and I was like, oh, it's $110. And people was like, oh, I want to offer you $180 in order for you to ship it right away. So I go up with the price with $185. Guys, let me tell you, people was offering me over $185 in order to get those bags. But the same way, you're gonna find some negative people that's gonna tell you, oh, you got this bag at $30 while you're selling it for $185. That's basically stealing people. Don't pay attention to those people. You're gonna see it. That's none of your problem. If you sell your bag at $185, you don't force nobody to buy it at this price. If they want to buy it, they buy it. You don't force nobody to buy it. So that's the most important thing. So if you see I'm selling this bag, you want to make an offer, I have some people contacting me. They'll be like, oh, can you do $150? And I was sure, of course I can do $150, but it's up to you. Don't pay attention with those people that's gonna email you. Like, they're gonna buy it from you so they can resell it. Okay, I have one lady, she bought it for $150 and she sold it for $200. She emailed me and she told me what happened, and she was asking me if I have more. Okay, so like everybody is flipping, so don't pay attention to those people, right? So I got 3 bags. 3 bags was sold like in less than 3 minutes. So, and I was like, let me post the 7 more I have. Guys, oh my god, on the same day, 2 of them sold. On the second day, 5 of them sold. So guys, when I see those product was selling so fast, I was like, that's crazy. Just a trend video, like anything that's go on TikTok, any product that's trending on TikTok can make you a lot of money. I told you guys I have this product called Helium 10. It's a browser, it's extension to look for product to sell on Amazon. But guys, let me tell you, TikTok is one of the best platforms to look for product, to do product research, what type of product to sell, what type of product is trending. Anything that's trending on TikTok, people gonna go crazy over it. Because don't forget, TikTok is a trending platform. Anybody try to get in those trends because they trying to get views, they trying to get into the For You page. In order to get into the For You page, they have to follow those trends. So that's why anything trending on TikTok, it's any product trending on TikTok, this product can convert you into like millions, thousand or into of millions of dollars. So guys, I want you guys to don't go on TikTok only just to dance, to see those dance videos, those whatever is trending, but go on TikTok also to make money. Go on TikTok to see like what product is trending, to resell it or to flip it, or not, or even though to do drop shipping. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get into drop shipping this week. I'm thinking on launching my own product. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna get into the drop shipping. I'm gonna show you my result, if I fail or not. I'm gonna show you guys because I went on this channel to be as much as transparency as possible, so you guys can see everything. I don't want to tell you guys, oh, I make $1,000, but you guys don't see it. Well, that's the reason I show you guys the bag. If you guys go on TikTok, you can see this product is trending right now, and I'm gonna put my receipt right here so you can see how much like I sold and how much I make on Mercury and eBay. So I want to show you guys the receipt. I don't want to just talk, but show you guys proof I make $1,000 in less than 3 days, so you can do it too. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video helpful, or I hope you enjoyed this video, or if you learned anything new today. If you like this video, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video so the YouTube algorithm can know I'm giving you guys some nice content. Okay, don't forget to comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe if you want to, and thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video again, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.